So I'm going to teach you binary as fast as I can. Imagine you have a number, it's 0, and when you're reading a binary number, you add numbers to that number. So let's say we have this one, 0, 0, 0, 1. We add 1 to our answer because this light is on. Now let me go back a step. Each digit in a binary number has a value. It starts from 1 on the right hand side, and then it goes to 2, and then 4, and then 8. This is because it doubles. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, etc. to get to 8, and it keeps going, 16, 32, 64, etc. And so when we're reading this binary number, let's say we have this one. This is 0011. And so if we go to start from the right, we read this and we say, is this on? And if it is on, we add 1 to our answer. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then we go to the next one, and the value of this one is 2. So it has more of a significance than this one. And so each of these are called bits, which is short for binary digit. And so this one, is this on? Yes, so we add 2 to our answer. And so we end up with 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is 3. And so 0011 is 3. And we don't need any leading zeros because numbers don't need leading zeros. And so this is 11. Or you can just pad it to 4 or 8. So, sorry, that, 0011. And yeah, there you have it. Now if we go to this one, that is 4 because this one is not on, so we do not add 1. This one is not on, so we do not add 2. This one is on, so we do add 4, and we don't need to do anything with that. So the answer is 4. So 0, 1, 0, 0 is 4. Now, what does this one say? 0, 1, 1, 0. Well, that would be 6, because this one has a value of 1, and 2, and 4, and 8. And we're not adding 1, but we are adding 2, and we are adding 4. So we end up with 6. And now for this one, we are adding 1 because this one has a value of 1, this has a value of 2 and 4. We're not adding these two, but we are adding this one, which has a value of 8, and we end up with 9. And yes, that is a very nice pair of numbers.